Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE to an Android device. Firstly, open Play Store on both smartphones and click on the search bar. Then type Send Anywhere and download this free app from this developer. Following that, choose Open. Over here you need to select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we can finally choose Receive on this Android and Send on XIAOMI Lite. Now click on all of those type of dots. After that, tap on Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will only click on this one photo, just send and click Got it. Over here we have the ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on the scanning icon on an Android, selecting Allow in the pop-up and pointing device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key. Then tap on Receive and wait. I made a mistake, so I had to correct it real quick and just receive one more time. As you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!